All right, here we are at a actual Pokemon card place, and we're gonna take a look at it from actual professional players that are playing these magical cards and see how this case works. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and walk inside and see what you guys think of it. I'm also gonna put the address here if you guys want to take a look at this place, how beautiful it is. I'm gonna take you guys in the inside, and if you guys want to give them some business, it's up to you. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah. That's a nice, look at this stuff.
Let me grab a deck that actually has a lot of cards in it, so
Yeah.
it fills up more. Cards won't fall out, and you know we travel, so anything like that really works well.
What about the dividers?
The cards actually fell in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So. Yeah, because we even divide by color on our cards too. That's good. You can just do this. Except for these.
Yeah, for like it was one.
Really?
Yeah.
So you guys will benefit of having a card, like a box like that with you. I mean, I see that you have a box up there.
Oh.
Is it a, what is it, a regular box?
This one was this is a very old dual box because it holds
Dual box.
2 decks.
Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I mean, this was Velcro, so I mean, this could still easily open up.
Yeah.
But magnets are what everyone likes nowadays.
Yeah.
Because like I said, you do this, it clicks close, you know it's closed.
Yep.
It's not going nowhere.
Perfect. How about holding your any edges or anything like that? If you don't damage them, is it pretty good, secure?
On this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because I mean, the way it's made and the material, it's not gonna damage. And, you know, we carry stuff in our backpacks. I have a bag where.
Oh, all your cards go in there too.
Yeah. So I mean.
Oh, perfect fit on there. Oh,
Yep.
shoot, that is
Perfect
actually a
size.
perfect fit. Yeah.
Yep.
That is actually perfect fit
See?
for your
And-
card collection.
Yeah.
And you got quite a few card collection. So.
This
yeah.
card shop I have in my house. I play too much.
Well.
But I appreciate it, man. I mean, it's a great box. Thank you.
Today we're going to bring a leather case for your Pokemon cards or any magic cards that you have that you collect or any other of the cards. This is a great case. If you guys could see, you can see the silhouette of Pikachu in here throwing a lightning bolt. Now the case itself, it's genuine leather painted in yellow, and it's really soft, really well made. If you guys can see, all the seams are really neat throughout the whole box itself, and it's magnetic in the front, so you can open it up. There's a magnet in there, you can't see it, it's out within the between the actual leather. Now there is a dividers. They give you 2 dividers in here for all your cards, so for all your card needs. All right, so you have a divider in case you have a certain amount of cards. You could put your best important cards in the front, you could divide it, and then your other cards in the back, and you could divide it with different sets or different cards too. This is pretty much, it fits any kind of cards. It could even put your baseball cards in here for any collectors in there. But if you guys can see, it's kind of suede, but it's all leather. It's all leather, well made. I just love the smell of leather. It's beautiful, and it has a magnetic connection here. It makes contact in here. And look at the side of it. I like the little yellowish, kind of marble-ish look that it has. It's a beautiful, distinct look, and you can see it from far away. It's good if you have it to going out to events. This is a great case to carry around with you and show your friends your cards. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.